match vehicles! Let's go! Alright friends, let's find the vehicle that matches. Does that match? You're right. I don't think it does either. How about this one? Does that picture match? Yeah, that one is way off. How about this one? Yeah. You go back where you go. You stay there. Okay, how about this one? Does that match? You're right, the colors are all off. Nope. How about this one? Oh, it gets confusing because the color matches. But yes, I think you're right. It does not match. How about this one? Yeah! I hear a yes! Let's check it out. Does it match?
Congratulations!
Yes! Woohoo! Way to go! It's a concrete mixer. It's a match. Concrete mixer. Great job! Alright friends, let's find the picture that match. Let's go! Something doesn't look right. Maybe this one? Ooh, not at all. Maybe this is the winner. Yeah, I don't think so. It's okay. We're gonna keep going because we never give up. No. It's okay. Let's keep going. Does this match?
Yeah!
I think it just might. Let's see. Yes!
Congratulations!
Helicopter. It's a helicopter. Way to go! Good job! Alright friends, let's find the vehicle that matches. Let's go! Does that match? Okay. How about this one? Ooh, maybe it does. Does that match? Okay. How about this one? I think you're right. The colors are kind of not matching. It's okay. We want to keep going because why? We never give up. Alright, let's keep going. Does this match?
Yeah!
I think it does. Let's see. Woohoo!
Congratulations!
It matches. Train. It's a match. Train. Way to go! Let's keep going! Alright, friends, let's keep going! Let's find the vehicle that matches. Let's go! Does that match? Does that match? Are you sure? No, I think it matches. Let me check it out. I think it matches. Let's see. I think it does. Let's take a closer look. Oh, I think you're right. The wheels, it doesn't match. And it doesn't connect. Oh my, you're right. I should have listened to you guys. I'm sorry. But I'm learning, so it's okay. How about this one? Does that picture match? Okay, maybe not. Let's keep going. Next one. Does that match? Yeah, way off. Different colors. How about this one? Does that match? Not at all. Okay. How about this one? Does that match? Maybe it does. Oh, no. Here I go again. You're right. I got excited for nothing. Sorry, guys. I'll listen to you guys next time. I really will. How about? Let's see this one. Oh, I'm getting a good feeling about this. Oh, I'm getting a good feeling about this. Does that match? Yes, I think it does. Yes!
Congratulations!
Police car. It's a match. Police car. Great job. Thanks for your help, guys. All right, friends, let's keep going. Let's find the vehicle that matches. Oh, no. I don't think it does match. Okay. Does this picture match? Okay. How about this one? Are you sure? Let me check this out. Let's see. I'm kind of confused on this one. You guys are correct! Yes!
Congratulations!
Yes! It's a match. Boat. It matches. Boat. Way to go! Choo-choo! All aboard! Let's go! All right, friends, let's keep going. Let's find the vehicle that matches. Does this picture match? Close but not close. Does this picture match? Ooh, not at all. That one's really wacky. Does this picture match? Not close at all. It's okay. We're gonna keep going until we find the picture that match. Okay, does this picture match? Nope. How about this one? It's wacky again. No. Ooh, maybe we have a winner. Does it match? Okay, I said I'll listen to you guys, so I'm gonna listen. Alright then, let's keep going. Oh, I'm having a good feeling about this one. Does that match?
Yeah!
Alright, I think it does. It's a match.
Congratulations!
Excavator. It digs and digs and digs. Excavator. It's a match. Alright, let's go, 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 go! Alright friends, let's keep going. Let's find the picture that matches. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Does that match? Okay. Does this picture match? Kinda close, but no. How about this one? Ooh, I think it might. Does it match? After a closer look, I think you are right. You get back here. Alright, let's keep going. Does this picture match? Oh, maybe it does. Ooh, you are right. When I put it together, it's totally not a match. How about this one? Yes, I think it might. It's a match.
Congratulations!
Motorcycle. Great job. It matches. Motorcycle. Way to go. Hop on. Alrighty friends, let's keep going. Does this picture match? Confusing, but no. Does this picture match? Let's keep going. Does this picture match? Yes, I think it does too.
Congratulations!
It matches. Airplane. Let's fly somewhere really fun. Airplane. Let's keep going, friends. Let's find the picture that matches. Does this picture match? I'm hearing yes and no's, yes and no's. Let's take a look. Oh, so close. Oh my, it was so close. Yeah, this one was a toughie. It doesn't match. It's okay, because remember, we never give up. Let's keep going. Does this match? No, you're right. Does this picture match? Not at all. It's okay. We're gonna keep going. All right, moving right along. Does this match? How about this one? Does that match? I hear a lot of yeses. Let's take a look.
Congratulations!
Woohoo! It matches. Ambulance. Ambulance. Matches. Woohoo! Alrighty, friendly friends, let's go. Does this picture match? Nope. Does this picture match? think it does either. All right. Does this picture match? Nope. Does this picture match?
Yeah!
I hear a lot of yeses. Let's check it out.
Congratulations!
Woohoo! It matches. Taxi. They're all over New York and the big cities. It's a match. Taxi. Thanks for joining me today to help me match vehicles. You guys are always so awesome! My name is Mahana. Mama Haru Mama. See you next time. Bye 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 bye.